She came from the front line, right? She worked herself up. She has self-awareness. She's vulnerable. She wants to learn. Payton, she takes the feedback and runs with it. She listens. She has a great community within her peers as well, and she just wants to grow, learn, and she thrives with risks. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but she's winning. She's such a young leader, and I really look up to her, how she has been evolving.
My name is Payton, and I am the general manager in Louisville, Kentucky. I started with UGE back in 2018 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, worked as a ramp and customer service agent for about a year before joining the national TDY team and traveling to different stations around the country, and then came to Louisville in 2020 as a supervisor for, again, about a year before I took on the GM role. I think my biggest motivator is constantly seeing improvement both in the station and the agents. It's very nice to be able to see people that have started as agents grow to be what they want to be as well, just like I did when I started. If an agent wants to be a GM, I would say getting trained in every area that comes available to them. Every opportunity that presents itself, they should take it and build those connections and those skills. That way, when the opportunity comes to take the end goal role that they want, they're prepared for it. We maintain a positive work environment here by trying to stay together, working as one unit, as a team. So we started doing that by working with myself and the supervisors, and then brought that down to bringing the leads in and working well with us together as a team, and that's just trending towards the agents working together as well. The biggest thing we do to ensure effective communication here in Louisville is to have regular briefings every single shift, 3 times a day at minimum, with both our above the wing and below the wing staff to ensure everyone's involved and up to date. If we have an agent that has a desire to do more than just be a ramp or a customer service agent, we do everything in our power to get them in additional trainings and make sure they're ready to take the next step. We also like to bring them in and have regular conversations with them and ask what their goals and desires are and how they feel we can best support them to move on to the next step. I believe my leadership has positively impacted Louisville as a station because I have the drive to make the necessary changes for us to be successful, and I like to involve other people to have that same drive, again, for us to come together for one common goal.